When water damage hit this home, our team jumped into action. We started with moisture detection, full drying, and removal of all affected materials to ensure a safe foundation. From there, we rebuilt fresh drywall, new insulation, modern flooring, and a beautifully tiled bathroom with a spa-like finish. The result? A clean, bright, and fully restored home. At FPG Construction, we turn restoration challenges into opportunities to rebuild better than before. Follow for more before and after transformations